In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an About Us page in Shopify. First, let's create the page inside your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, head to Online Store, then Pages. Click Add Page, and in the title field, type About Us. This title usually becomes your main heading on the page, so keep it simple and clear. Next, add your content. Think of this page as the place where visitors learn who you are, what you sell, and why your brand exists. Start with a short, welcoming introduction that sets the tone. Follow it with your story, how the business started, what inspired it, and what makes it different. Then clarify your mission or vision so people know what you stand for and where you're headed. Break your text into short paragraphs for readability, and use headings like H2 subheadings to organize sections such as our story, our mission, or what we offer. You can emphasize key phrases by making them bold and use alignment tools to keep everything neat and consistent across desktop and mobile. Visuals can make a big difference. Click Insert Image in the editor and upload a professional brand photo or a product image that represents your business. Choose high-quality images that load quickly and keep the layout clean. If you're using multiple images, maintain a consistent style and spacing so the page feels cohesive. Before you move on, make sure your page is set to visible so it appears on your storefront. Then click Save. If you don't see the visibility option right away, look for the section that controls publishing status in the page settings. Now we'll add the page to your site's navigation so customers can find it easily. Go to Online Store, then Navigation, and open your main menu. Click Add Menu Item, name it About Us, and link it to the page you just created. Select the page from the list, confirm the link, and click Save. If you want it to appear in a specific spot in your menu, you can drag it into position before saving. Finally, check your store, open your storefront, look at the main menu, and make sure the About Us link appears. Click it to confirm the page loads correctly, the text is formatted nicely, and the images look sharp. It's a good idea to preview it on mobile as well so you're confident it's easy to read on smaller screens. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.